Today we're visiting the Malbork Castle, but first, pączki.
Pączki!
Polish donuts. What flavor you got?
Krówka.
Krówka, Edyta?
Gruszka.
A pear, and David? Pear. Pear. Can I have a taste of krówka? W więzieniu jesteście. Ojej.
Ksiądz dopiero wychodzi.
Powiedział, że o 18 wróci.
To niech nam przyniesie obiad.
No wasze pączki mamy, chcecie?
A, nawet kwestie są zamknięte.
Ale to jest śmieszne.
Myślałem, że jakieś żarty są. Dziękujemy.
Dziękujemy.
Zapisane.
Wow. This is a really old Gothic church. So this is the Malbork Castle, and today there's a marathon in there, or triathlon actually. I think they're gonna be, and they're running through the old moat. So the moat used to go around the castle. This is the only castle that was never conquered by the Polish, and it's the biggest castle in the world. So this is a traditional olden day, medieval day display with cheese and wine and mead, smoked meats, everything.
Ser 24-miesięczny, proszę spróbować.
Oh, 24 months old. Wow. Dziękuję.
Proszę.
Oh my god. How was it?
Yummy.
Really delicious. Wow. So this is the Grand Master meeting room. The Grand Master of the Teutonic Knights would sit there, and all the knights would sit around and have a meeting and a chat. And then inside these little holes underneath the castle there's a fireplace, and the heat would rise during wintertime to heat up the floors and the room for their meetings. Pretty amazing technology back in the 14th and 15th century when it was all being built. Amazing. We're off to the armory. The first stairs, so difficult when you're hungover. That was a tough walk up the steps. We're at the armory now. Cannons everywhere, swords, laser guns. So that guy there is Husaria, which is like the elite Polish horse-mounted army that used to they were used to defend Poland from the Swedish invasion. The feathers made the soldiers sound like there was 1,000 soldiers coming instead of maybe 100. It's very effective. Scared the horses, scared the man, put fear into them. It's pretty impressive stuff. They've got a smokehouse there and a bar with meats and lots and lots of beer. Very overpriced and very salty. But here in the distance there are the remains of the wall from after the war. They haven't rebuilt it yet. It's still got bullet holes, artillery rounds, all that sort of stuff through there. It's very, very interesting. Just had a gigantic ice cream to finish off my tour of the castle. So I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, like, share, all that stuff, that's good. And I hope you enjoyed this. It's a beautiful place. If you ever get to visit it, I would. It's amazing.